Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can order through your company in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and the growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app. On the bottom right corner you can see this profile icon. You tap on it and you have to tap on personal details and addresses. Here below personal details you can see your name, your street, your city, and if you tap on this little pencil on the right side of this box, then it opens to your address. Here you can see it selected the private individual. If you tap on company, it switched to the company profile. You have to add your ID number and your company name and tap on save on the top right corner. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.